All right, so 3 times today I got asked, how do you drain your sinus cavities? So what I'm going to do is a really quick video on what you need to drain your sinus cavities. So I'm going to show you the bony layer, I'm going to show you the lymphatic system, I'm going to show you a bunch of different things, but you have to remember this. You can poke your face all you want, but unless you get to the reasons why your body is now producing more mucus, filling up the nasal cavities, you're always going to be prone to be poking at yourself, but your body does need support. That being said, let's jump into this. So you want to get into this, and you have to remember your sinus cavity is all behind all this bone. So everything that you're going to do today is going to be slightly tender, not painful, tender, because you're pushing on something that has too much pressure already. So let's get rid of these is your upper layer of your bones. This is your nose, the cartilage of your nose, and all of this pink here is all of your nasal cavities. Now this is what you want to look for. Let's get rid of this jaw real quick, right through here. This is underneath, inside your brain. This is the outside of your skull, right here. But we're going to leave the ear here because that's very important. But do you see how the nasal cavity and everything is right behind the cheekbone itself? So it goes through the cheekbone, underneath the cheekbone here, down into underneath your ear. So what you want to start doing is understanding all of this is now filled up. And what's happening is your lymphatic system is going to play a role in getting everything out. So you see how the nose, there's a point at the tip part of your nose, and it works down into your neck, into a big cluster of lymphatic system, lymph nodes. So it's all under here, runs through here, down into your neck. So it's very important that you understand. So now let's actually put some muscle on here. So you want to start thinking, every time you feel pressure inside of your eyes, you want to push at the corner of your eyes. You see where this first part hits. You want to push at the corner of your eyes, not where the bone is, but almost in the orbital socket itself, and you're pushing back into your skull. You want to make it through that bone. Push it right into the skull and wait. You're going to feel like almost like a suction, like because there's so much mucus in there. It's going to suction in, and then what you want to do is slowly push your way down, almost like you're milking this whole lymph node all the way through here. And then you want to follow the cheekbone, pushing in and down, like it's like you're pushing in and down, down and in, because you're pushing the mucus and everything that's congested down into that lymphatic system, here and down, and work your way underneath the jawbone, the cheekbone, down the side of the jaw, right? So now, let's push down here, all the down through here. So you're pushing all the way through here, all the way through the jaw, and then get behind the ear, in front of the ear, behind the ear, and then down your neck. So you're pushing all the way around, down through your cheek, into your neck, behind the ear. Now, a good person, if you want to follow a lot of lymphatic stuff, is Stop Chasing Pain with Dr. Perry. Dr. Perry does all sorts of things. He's the one that taught me this a long, long time ago. So shout out to Dr. Perry. You want to actually look into his work. He shows you a lot of things within all sorts of things lymphatic drainage wise, but this is how you drain your sinuses. Get into this, and if you're starting to feel more and more pressure as the seasons get done, it means you're probably dried out inside. Bump up your hydration, as well as don't think just water. Think watery fruits and vegetables, as well as minerals that your body probably needs to now moisturize, not the outside skin, the internal skin. And it starts to make all this mucus a lot more liquidy, and it doesn't congest as well, and it brings you back down. Hopefully this helped. See you on the next one.